This is the 2-in-1 multi-purpose folding cart. Came packaged very nicely, shipped well, and this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. This is a multi-purpose 2-in-1 cart. It can be used as a trolley, as you can see. According to the company, it can hold items weighing up to 500 pounds, and it can also be used as a leaf bag holder for yard waste and stuff, which I think is awesome. When you get this, it comes with a flexible cord, you know, for wrapping off boxes and stuff. It comes with all the parts to turn it into a leaf bag holder, and these actually mount underneath it here via Velcro, and I'll show you that. It comes with a set of instructions to show you how to set this up. It's really easy, I'll show you that too. And it comes with this leaf bag, which is huge. So the cart itself is pretty lightweight. It weighs 12.8 pounds, 18 inches by 15.5 inches by about 4 inches, so easy to store away. The telescopic handle on here has 3 different height settings, ranging from 15.4 inches to 23 inches to 30.3 inches, and this is actually pretty good for a guy my size who's 6'2". Another cool feature of this is that this deck actually extends out and gives you an extra 4 inches to 22 inches. On the underside, we've got 4 wheels on here, 2 of them swivel, 2 of them are solid, and these actually have a locking feature on here too, so you can lock them into place if you want to keep it from rolling away on you. Let me show you how this works as a leaf bag holder. There are 4 little parts right here that actually connect in here so that you can store them away when you're not using them. You just lift those out, and these pieces that are stored away underneath of the cart, thread these into place, all 4 of them. On the 4 corners of the device are little pull-out pins. So what we're gonna do is just pull these pins out and set these things into place, and they're angled so that it goes up in the right angle. There's a little notch on here and it just slips into there. Super simple. Easy as that. There's 1, there's 2. So once you've got this thing on here, you can throw this giant leaf bag that they gave you on there. You know, basically it bends out, and now you've got pull a handle out, and we can pull this thing around the yard if we wanted to, collecting up yard waste. What I was wondering is if a 30-gallon garbage bag will fit on here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. 30-gallon garbage bag. Now I don't need that big bag unless I'm putting twigs or something in there. So pretty awesome. And when you're done, you can just disassemble the pieces, unscrew them, and store them away back in their little area right here. And you just set them on here, wrap the Velcro around, and they're neatly stored away until next time. Here you can see how easy it just stores away on the shelving unit right here. And here it is, just tucked away in the shed next to the snow shovel. It takes up no room at all. Since I'm a musician, I'm mainly going to use this to haul equipment because it's so easy to store in the car. When I'm done, I can just fold it right up. But here's a 210 bass cabinet on here, and you can see it fits on there with no problem. And I'm rolling it on carpet right now, and it rolls nice and easy. And if it rolls this easy on carpet, I know it's going to roll easy on club floors and stuff that aren't carpeted. So it's got a solid feel to it. It's lightweight, it's compact, it's great for any time of the year. You can wheel it around and put your leaves in there, your grass clippings, your branches. Maybe you're cleaning up after an event. It's great for hauling equipment. And like in my case here, that's what I'm going to use it for. And this would be great for delivery people since it easily stores away in a truck. Maybe great for contractors to move things around on a job site. I love it.